In this video, we will explore the different personalization options of the Fiori Launchpad. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's start. So first of all, over here you can see the classic Fiori Launchpad. To personalize the Fiori Launchpad, we basically have two different options. First of all, we can click over here on our user icon, then select Settings. And over here, most importantly, we have a section called Appearance. There you can adjust the theme of the Fiori Launchpad. So the colors and shades. For instance, right now my Launchpad is set to the Zap Quartz Light theme. However, I can change it, for instance, to the Zap Belize theme. Click on this one and then click on Save. Now the Launchpad reloaded and you can see that the background color and the shades and also the text changed. If I want to go back to the other theme, I go to Settings again and then select my other theme. And each and every time the Launchpad will reload. Next off, we go back to our settings and then we navigate to Spaces and Pages. Over here you can see right now my Launchpad is set to Spaces. So Spaces are a way of structuring our Launchpad. If you want to find out more about Spaces, I will link you one of my other videos in the description of this one. However, we can also deselect the Use Spaces indicator over here. If we do so and click on Save, you can see that the page will reload. And now you can see the Launchpad changed a bit because now we only have so-called groups. We can click through those groups and then we can see the applications over here. Let's go back to the Spaces view via Settings, Spaces and Pages, Use Spaces. And now you can see the Spaces structure. So the difference here is that this here is not a group but a space with different so-called pages. You can see over here. Right now we are in the page overview, as you can see over here, with all the applications and also sections. But we can go to another page within the same space, for instance, journal entries. And now you can see the page journal entries with the different groups and different tiles. So it's another way of structuring our Launchpad. Next off, we go to our user icon over here again, and then we can click on Edit Current Page. Let's click on this one. And now we have a bunch of different options to personalize our Fiori Launchpad even more. First of all, you can see over here we can change the title of different groups. So for instance, I could delete this over here and just say General Ledger Postings. Also, I could remove tiles if necessary by just clicking over here, like that. Furthermore, we can add tiles. So I click on Add Tile. We are forwarded to the App Finder, where we can find all the applications assigned to our user roles. We can navigate to one of the categories. And then when we found the application that we would like to being displayed on the Fiori Launchpad, we just click on the plus sign over here. Afterwards, we navigate back. You can see our new applications now appear over here. We can change the order of the applications by just dragging and dropping the tiles, as you can see. And we can even say hide section, so the section itself is not being displayed anymore. If we now click on Close, you can see the settings have been applied directly. Let's now go back to our user icon, click on Edit Current Page again. We even have more options to personalize our Launchpad. By clicking here on the three dots, we can convert this tile here, for instance, to a link. We can also convert a tile to a flat tile. We can convert a tile to a flat white tile, as you can see. Also to a white tile. Tiles can be moved, but this I have shown you before. And we can add a tile to the My Home space, which is always displayed here on the far left. Let's click on Close. Last but not least, we have some more personalization options. So we go back to our user icon, Settings. You've already seen the Appearance and Spaces and Pages tab. For the whole Fiori Launchpad itself, we can also change the language and region, the date format, the time format and time zone, as well as how decimal numbers are being displayed. And last but not least, we can also store default values. Those default values here will appear in the different applications. So for instance, if we call up an application where a company code is a parameter, then it will be filled automatically here in this instance with the number 1710. Yeah, and that's basically it. This is a quick overview of the personalization options of the Fiori Launchpad. I hope you liked the video. If so, then please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. See you next time.